Queries on Tata Tech, and to address that, let's connect with Sanjiv Bhasin. Sanjiv, always a pleasure to have you on the show. Now, a lot of queries are coming. This one is from Mr. Vinod Sharma. Vinod, thank you for sending this query. I've bought 20 shares of Tata Tech at 1330. Should I hold it? Sanjiv, at 1330, Tata Tech trades at a P multiple of 60-65 times trailing. So if someone's bought at 1330, do you think there is scope to make money in the near term?
Yeah, hi. So Nikunj, in the short run, I would say no, because there will be time before you see more color on the numbers and the valuations get corrected. I mean, today an LTTS or a LT, these trade at much lower valuation, having much clearer businesses. The Tata TCS itself trades at a much lower multiple. So, if you got caught in the euphoria, then stay put. Don't try and buy more because this will take time. Right now, the market mood is such that, industrials and the other lot are doing extremely well. You've seen that in the move. So stay put with Tata Tech. Don't add more, but try and diversify your portfolio. Try and add some of the other, an LTTS or an LTIM. These will give you more color, and an HCL Tech on the technology basket.
The next question is from Prakash from Vadodara. Thank you, Prakash, for that question. Now, a lot of questions are bunched up here. First, will we see Bank Nifty scale up beyond 50,000 in 4 to 6 months? Will HDFC Bank catch up? And what is a good, in the short term, what is a good entry and exit price? And can HDFC Bank go to 2,000 plus? So bottom line here is, Sanjiv, can the Bank Nifty go to 50,000 in the run up to the election? And HDFC Bank, if somebody is convinced post the election verdict that it's a time to now revisit HDFC Bank, vanvas ka samay khatam ho raha hai. So what is the time to buy?
So I'll take them one by one. Firstly, 50,000 would be a little more far stretched than most imagine. But there is always an outright possibility, just as you saw in the 3-0 victory for the BJP. Three things stand out, Nikunj. One, fall in yields overseas, inflation moderating very, very sharply. And third, the Fed now no longer on higher rates. He's in fact may cut rates, which all bode well for India and for the banking system. Plus, you have clarity of government, so no freebies to be announced. All that bodes well. But at 50,000, we would be all looking at very, very big numbers, 23,500 or maybe on the index and so. So don't get caught in such a big euphoria. The index has run up very sharply. Better to do a sip in the bank Bs. Bank Bs trade at 1/10 the price. They are equivalent to it's an ETF equivalent to the Bank Nifty. If you did a SIP, you will get a better balance than just buying outrightly for 50,000. Two, HDFC Bank holds the maximum weightage in the Bank Nifty and yes, has been a rank underperformer. But over a period of time, as the synergies equalate, then their cost of lending will moderate and the book will grow. But don't expect 2,000 to come maybe in the next 6 months. It will take more of earnings churn and so on. Hence, we think there are other banks which can be much, much better conduits like the like of Axis or ICICI. So diversify your portfolio, by the bank Bs. You'll have 6 private and 6 public banks, which will give you a good moderate mixture of them all.
Right, Sanjiv, always a pleasure to have you on ET Now. Thank you for joining us and thank you for answering those queries. And here's the